Audio and Visual Assistive Technology for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing by Emily Spriggs. Families who have a student who is deaf or hard of hearing may know about some of the technology available, but they might not know about all of it. Besides just hearing aids and cochlear implants, there is a wide variety of assistive technology that can be incredibly valuable to those who are deaf and hard of hearing, especially in a school setting. Many of these devices fall into two categories: listening or visual. Assistive listening technology is technology that helps students to be able to hear the speaker, most commonly the teacher. Most have a microphone that picks up sound and transmits it to a receiver. One type of assistive technology is an FM system. When using an FM system, the speaker wears a microphone that sends sound to a receiver using radio frequency. The receiver can take the form of headphones, a neck loop, or more commonly, hearing aids or cochlear implants. FM systems make the speaker seem right in front of you and eliminate noise that may make it difficult to hear. This is very important because in a classroom there is a large amount of noise that makes it difficult to hear the teacher, especially for students with a hearing loss. Another example of assistive listening technology is the sound field system. Sound field systems use a microphone to project the teacher's voice throughout the room from different speakers. This makes the speaker seem close to the listener no matter where in the classroom they are. Because this transmits to speakers and not directly to hearing aids or cochlear implants, this device benefits all students in the classroom, not just students with a hearing loss. It also reduces strain on teachers trying to speak up all day. Visual technology that assists the deaf and hard of hearing in understanding speech translates conversation into writing for students to read. This usually includes a microphone and a device that the words are written on. This device may be personal or projected in front of the whole classroom. This is not recommended for students under 4th grade because it usually requires a high reading level. One example of visual assistive technology is CART. CART stands for Communication Access Real-Time Translation. CART uses real people who are listening to the conversation through the microphone and typing everything that is being said word for word. Because of this, CART is preferred when it is important to capture every word that is being said. This also makes CART more expensive because you need to pay for professionals to type everything being said. Text printing is another example of assistive visual technology. This includes software like cPrint and Typewell. Unlike CART, text interpreting does not capture everything word for word. Instead, it transcribes the meaning of what is being said. Because this is less technical, it is cheaper and better for lower level subjects. Many students that benefit from visual technology start with text interpreting, and as the subjects get more challenging, move to CART. Accommodations for students are not always the same. Just because something works for one student does not mean it will work for all of them. If one type of accommodation does not work for a particular student, try something else. For more information, visit any of these resources.